Hello, it's Okoye Chinedu again, and today I'm going to be discussing how to learn Ukrainian language 5 tips. Okay, so I'm not really like a professional in Ukrainian language, but like I studied it for like 10 months. So like I know some tips and tricks on how to learn the language. I can say the phrases like probably now my main problem is kind of like speaking language, but yeah, because I've not like been having a lot of practice. But don't be discouraged. Like today I'm going to present you with 5 tips on how to learn the language. So if you're new to my channel, like I said, you can subscribe for more of my content, like my video, and turn on the notifications. You won't regret it, trust me. Okay, so the first step I'm going to go through today is communicate with the Ukrainians. The first effective method of learning a language is communication. Since you want to learn the language, it means that you probably live in Ukraine or you have plans of traveling there. If you want to learn, you should consider going out on the street and talking with the Ukrainians themselves. You can do this in a church, a bus, or maybe a subway station. In Ukraine, I call it Voxar. So it really helps you to get used to the speech pace and to learn new words. As you're talking with them, like of course you should be with like Google Translate. It really helps you. You write down new words you learned. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure it will be helpful for you. The second step is you should consider watching some YouTube videos. Those could also help you learn and help me. On YouTube there are a lot of channels you can subscribe to that teach you the language, such as a woman that teaches Ukrainian. She's a Ukrainian herself. Her name is Olga Reznikova. You can check out her channel, and also Taya Ukraine. But her, she also does some tourism and shows you places around Ukraine. But if you check her, you can also see some videos that she made. It's about teaching Ukrainian, just like the basics for you to learn. So you can also learn helpful words and tips from the native speakers. Yeah, because they are native speakers. And then the third I have for you is to read Ukrainian books. If you're in Ukraine, consider going to some library. There are a lot of libraries around. They may be old, but they are not obsolete. There you can find some old books. They are really interesting. If you really have like sit down and translate the words in them, read them, it will help you in your reading aspect of Ukrainian. Yeah, pronunciation of the words. You can try reading it out loud if you're alone. And yeah, so like I said, you should be a good translator, because of course you can't learn if you don't understand what you're reading. Okay, so the fourth today is you can attend language classes. You can attend like the good old-fashioned language classes, of course. That is always an option. You can do this by hiring a personal teacher, like someone that you pay, or learning it maybe online. I think there should be some online, none that I know of, but there should be some online classes that you can learn Ukraine, or consider hiring a teacher. Trust me, it will be worth it, because if you go to the country, definitely you need the language, because most people know English. Most of the people you meet in Ukraine. Yeah, so trust me, consider hiring a teacher. It won't be expensive. Like me, my passport was just like $1,000 thereabout. It's expensive because but you get the point. So the fifth and the last one for today is try language learning apps. And like, please, I want you to listen. Like this, you can't only do this and expect to just learn the language. There are apps such as Duolingo, which can help you to learn, but you should not like put all your eggs in one basket, like only focus on using the app, because you won't learn anything only. You have to also, like I said, communicate, write down the words you learn. Don't just do it on your phone and say that I'm learning the language and expect this to just like stick in your head. No, so like I said, you can try apps like Duolingo. I don't know of any other one, because for me Duolingo is like the best for you to try. You can find it on Play Store, download it. It's not that big, and it works on all devices. Yeah. Okay, so that's all it is for today. Thank you for listening to me. If you like my content, please subscribe and support me. Please, it's really helpful for you to subscribe. This subscription is free. Just click the red button under the video. And so thank you for watching. It's lifestyle, and watch out